So
Hey, Don.
let's talk about this Justice Department. Does the Justice Department now defend President Trump in the personal legal cases he faces?
They're trying to, Don. Look, this is sheer lunacy. Here's the way it's supposed to work. If you're a federal official and you get sued for something you did on the job, for example, if the president got sued because he issued an executive order or signed a law, then the Justice Department properly represents you. But if it relates to something that you did in your personal capacity, a car accident, a contract dispute, then the Justice Department has no business. And look what's happening here. The president got accused of rape. He called the accuser a liar, and now he's getting sued for defamation. And Bill Barr and Donald Trump say, just another day at the office of the presidency. I mean, George Washington and Abraham Lincoln must be spinning in their graves.
Have you ever seen the Justice Department get involved in such matters, a president's personal affairs or personal legal affairs or personal business affairs?
No, this is a new low. I mean, every time you think Bill Barr has gone as far as he could possibly go to turn DOJ into the president's own private law firm to politicize DOJ, he goes a little lower. And Don, by the way, added bonus here, guess who's picking up the tab for this one? Don Lemon and Ellie Honig and everyone else who pays their taxes. DOJ is picking up this representation, and we are all paying for it.
Wow. So it's free. I don't know. He's getting free advice or free legal, I guess, legal work from the taxpayers, right? It's
Yeah, well, free to him, not free to the taxpayer.
Yeah.
Sure. Look, this is the opposite of what the Justice Department is supposed to do. The Justice Department is supposed to be dispassionate, non-political, and independent. And I don't know how much clearer it could possibly be what Bill Barr is all about, what he has turned the Justice Department into, and how he has really debased the Justice Department to just do whatever is necessary to get the president's back, no matter how outrageous.
the term I was searching for then would be legal welfare is what the president is on, and people complain about what they call welfare. The president's getting legal welfare right now. So we watched the Attorney General distort the facts and the law regarding the Mueller report, Ukraine, the firing of Jeffrey Berman, U.S. Attorney for the Southern District of New York, and mail-in ballot fraud. Is that happening here? What is going on?
Yeah, Don, this is part of a pattern. This is nothing new for William Barr. This is what he has done through his entire tenure. This guy has no bottom. He will twist the facts. He will twist the law. He will make up garbage like this, whatever it takes to defend the president. It's no different than the way, like you said, he spun the Mueller report. He tried to squash the Ukraine whistleblower complaint. He jumped into the Flynn and Stone cases. He tried to fire the boss of my old office, the SDNY. I mean, there's no end to this. And I want people to understand, William Barr is different, not just in degree, but in kind from any AG who came before him. I served under 3 Republican AGs, 1 Democratic appointed AG. None of them came anywhere near William Barr's level of corruption and abuse of power.